Hey, welcome to Asia DIY. I'm Asia. Today we are going over how to do a root color touch-up and touch-up faded hair color. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'd appreciate it. And here we go. Let's do my new growth. Take care of that. Because I'm tired of looking crazy. I look crazy right now. Just wanted to show you what I look like before I get started, before I'm cute. I mean, I'm still cute, but. I need to shampoo my hair and scalp really bad. You see some dandruff up in there.
Yeah, this is all my new growth. We are going to tackle that today. Yeah, so right back. Link.
Let's get into it. All right, before we put on color, we want to remove any eyewear or jewelry. That's okay. Base the perimeter of my hairline.
Just want to kind of outline your perimeter, get your ears really good.
Let's grease it all up.
Crown.
I like Missy Elliott a little bit, you know.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9.
Little moment. I feel like I should, but let's do it.
Gonna do 3 scoops of powder. Yeah. Pour the cream developer into the powder lightener and mix until it looks like pancake batter.
If you need to add more developer, do so. So I'm just stirring it up.
We're gonna start in the back and work our way up to the front. It's really just my new growth that I want to lighten. So I'm going to go through and put the lightener on all over my roots. Be careful with my temples, these areas here. They're very thin and they die quick. I'm going to
put temples on my product last.
I'm going to put product on my temples last. Didn't I say it backwards? Right in, not to the root, but we more want to get it in the new growth of the lock. So I'm not at the root down here, but I'm more focused at the matting area of my lock. Once you get all that in there, squeeze your product through. At the roots. Just making sure I got every area covered, because I've definitely left pockets of new growth that were not dyed, and that does not look nice. It almost looks like a giraffe print of some sort. We're gonna let that process. I'll come back in about 10 minutes and see where we are. It has not been 10 minutes, it's been like 5. And you can see my hair is already turning a lighter brown. I'm gonna go ahead and get at my temples. Ooh, my neck is itching. My neck is itching really bad. It will subside after a couple minutes, but that burns. Now that
I'm fancy,
just want to kind of look through and make sure I got everything while I still have some product left. Get at all that. getting close because I wanted to tell you a secret. Make sure you unroll the locks to where it's a loose area of new growth, or else you can have pockets in your locks that you haven't colored. It doesn't look good. So I'm just making sure it's gonna look good. Just making sure it's gonna look good. Half of my wing is gone. Dang, when did that happen? My roots have lifted. We're gonna shampoo this off, come back and show you how I tone my hair. I did one wash with neutralizing shampoo. You can clearly see pockets that I missed. The product wasn't evenly pushed through, and that is what that looks like.
One more time.
Going through and touching up any areas that are still dark. I just took a mirror and lift the locks up and down to make sure there are no more pockets. Okay, round 2. Yay. Now we're ready to tone our hair.
Reapply. These are the semi-permanents I'm using. Pour them into a bowl and stir them up.
Go in and color everything. Now that my roots are touched up, let's bring it down the lock. So pour directly onto the locks like a drizzle. And squeeze it on into the hair. If you have a shower cap, go ahead and use that. I'm going to use a shopping bag.
Cover that up. This situation. And if you have a clip, you can put that there, or you can just kind of tuck it in. Let the semi-permanent sit. I'm going to clean up my edges and my neck.
I'm going to shampoo this out of my hair, and I will be right back at you. All right, so we're back. I'm cute. I did hello, and I have this towel on my head. So we're gonna do a nice little reveal and shazam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. She's cute. The shea butter, I make this product. It's nice and creamy, easy to use. Look at that.
Ooh.
Nice and creamy.
Not too much, because you don't want to
cause product buildup,
but enough to coat your hair and moisturize it.
Moisture, moisture, moisture. It's important. Put on the roots a little bit, not on the scalp, but just on the hair. You don't want to clog your pores up with the shea butter by putting it directly on your skin. You can cause breakouts.
Get our oil and oil our scalp. And just rub that in.
Usually if I'm not going anywhere or doing anything, this is
the look.
Giving you one more good look at all the work we just put in. Done, done, done. Do, 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 do. Bye. That's how I touch up my roots and faded color. If you are having issues, make sure you seek a professional. I would almost always, certainly go see a professional at the salon, ask questions, get a consultation if you need help. If not, and you got it, You saw it. You can do it too, but it does take some time and patience. You can mess up things pretty bad if you're not careful. Make sure you're careful. Make sure you're not over processing your hair. I did not want to relighten any areas that were already lifted or let that process while my darker roots were coloring, because it would just eat into the hair. It takes some time for hair to grow back. So we just want to be as cautious and careful as we can. Be cautious, be careful whenever you're using any chemicals. Be aware of your surroundings, any furniture, your clothes. You want to remove anything that you don't want to mess up. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, check out some of my other content. Before you go, hit that like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'd love to hear from you. And have a wonderful day, guys. See you next time. Bye. While you're here, check out some of my other videos. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.